In this question, a block of mass m is held in place by an applied force F as can be seen in the figure, and a pulley system. The pulleys are massless and frictionless. The tension in the strings are given to be T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. Now we need to draw the free body diagram for each pulley. We need to find the tension in each section of the rope, and we need to find the magnitude of F2 held the block of mass m. So if I consider for the block, its mass is m, so weight is mg downward, T5 is acting upward. So for equilibrium of this block, T5 is equal to mg. Now if I consider this particular pulley, downward force is T5, upward forces are T2 and T3. So here from we can also write T5 is equal to T2 plus T3. For the upper pulley, we have T1, T2, T3 acting downward and T4 acting upward. So for equilibrium of this pulley, T4 is equal to T1 plus T2 plus T3. Now as F is the force on this particular string, F is equal to T1. So we also have T1 is equal to F. As the strings are massless, frictionless, so in a particular string, tension will be same everywhere. So in this whole string, this particular string, tension is same everywhere such that T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T3 is equal to F. So here from we can write as T1 equal to T2 equal to T3 equal to F, we can write T4 is equal to 3F, and as it can be seen that the block is in equilibrium, T5 is T2 plus T3, so it can be written as T5 is equal to T2 plus T3, that is equal to 2F, and that is equal to mg. So here from it can be concluded that F is equal to mg by 2, T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T3 is equal to F, that is equal to mg by 2, T4 is equal to 3F, that is 3mg by 2, and T5 is equal to 2F, and that is equal to mg. So these are the values of tension T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and the value of F. So this gives the required answers.